Okay na ba? Yan. Rarararara. Let's go. What's up? Hi everybody. My name is Diggs. And welcome to our play Outlast Whistleblower.
I made it!
Hello?
I think it's safe. Can you climb up? I'm coming, Cooper! I just have to lock the... There! I'm coming! Hold on!
Hello? You're talking to me. So we need to find a lock to open the door. Tapos may corpse na naka-handcuff. GG. Alright, hello? Are we good? So dito tayo nag-last, ano no? Hello? Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Bitch, 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 bitch. Where am I supposed to be going? Fucker! 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 Run! Run! Run, bro! Run, bro! Fuck you, naked son of a gun. Grabe ako ni Nervous. Nandiyan ka pa ba? Are you trying to grab my butt? Shoutout nga pala sa ating best friend. Diba? Sa Manila na ngayon yan eh. Ang kaibigan nating si John Gloria na hindi babaero. Hello? Kamusta ka, boy? Engaged na pala siya. Diba? Congrats sa inyong kapatid. Napakabait na tao, wala akong masabi. Never kong nakita ng babae. Andun pa rin siya. Fuck! Bakit? Bakit nyo ako inusgahan? Takot ako eh. Ba't ba? Hello? Should I go here? Naririnig ko siya, naririnig ko siya, naririnig ko siya, naririnig ko siya. So, bali hindi nagda-die down yung sound, no? Nandun ka pa rin ba? Hello? Fuck, 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 fuck. Run, 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 run. Gagi, I don't know where should I go. Alam ko dun lang ang tamang daan eh. Kung babalik ako dun, masyadong mahaba yung dadaanan ko. Well, anyways, wala tayong no choice. Let's proceed. Matapang tayo, matapang. Hello? Oh, it's locked, diba? It's locked. Fucker, 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 fucker. Fucker. So, yun lang yung tamang daan. Any batteries? So, aga niya naman magbulaga. So, kailangan ko lang ba siyang lagpasan? Ano ba? Kinikilabatutan ako, guys. Okay, nag-die down na yung sound. Ibig sabihin wala na siya. So guys, ito pala is DLC version of Outlast. So, downloadable content. Hello? Crazy guy? Are you here? Dito ko. Hello? I think galing na ako dito eh. Battery? Battery. Galing na ako dito, my god. I hate drugs. Galing na tayo dito, boy eh. Walker. Hello? Kampo. Hello? Oh fuck, bro, galing na tayo dito. Oh fuck! I don't fucking care. Who are you? Is this the key? Is there any other way? Hello?
I have an itch.
I have a itch. You can itch it. Wait. Hello? Is there any other way? Can I go there? No. Fuck. Bro, you're so creepy, bro. Hello? Battery? Kinikilabatutan ako, guys! Kinikilabatutan ako. Hindi kaya natin to. Lalaki tayo, lalaki. Lalaki. Should I go here? Hello? Or on the other side? Oo nga, dun nga. Fuck, 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 nandun siya. Faster, faster, bitch, faster, bitch. Faster, bitch, faster, bitch, faster, bitch, faster. Fuck you. Bye. Bye, bitch. So far, so good, ah. Hello? Tampo? Tampo. Battery? Battery? Nope. Okay. Hello? Oh, fuck! Ah, putang ina ka! Ah!
Stay there and cook.
Fucker! Faster, bro. Masusunog tayo, bro. So versatile. I like it.
No! You were mine!
Oh, I'm not. Nice. GG. Taas nun, ah. Teka lang. Medyo nagkaroon tayo ng ano. Nagalit tuloy sa akin yung mga natutol. Sorry na nga po. I'm sorry. I'll do it again. Hello? Saan sa puso? Uy! Fuck. You're still alive, bro? What's up? Is the right way? Okay. Okay. Hello? So, pa akong litsunin nung kumag na yun. Hello? Oh, then after this, saan tayo sa ledge? Naiikot lang tayo. Masyado lang akong judger. What? 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 Go Rider. Is that you? Billy? Morphogenic engine natin nagiging active, oh. Battery. Battery. Perfect. Battery. Thank you. Nakakagulat, brother. Ang sakit sa puso. Dito ba siya? Hello? Kampo. Baka may jumpscare na naman, ah. Ang hina ng puso ko. Literally, guys, napatalon talaga ako. Ulitin, huwag nang ulitin yun, ha. Hello? We're fucking there. Parang narinig ko yung chainsaw niya. Siya ba yun? Hello? Where should I be going? Is it locked? Oh no, it's locked. Sakit sa puso. Pansamantala ako inatake sa puso. Hello? I can hear someone. Battery. Battery. Don't mind if I do. Hello? Ay, Diyos ko. Lakas din kasi ng trip ko eh. Anong oras na ba to? Okay, ito oras na kapag laro eh. Sorry na nga. Hello? Any battery here? Battery? Anything that I can use? Narinig ko talaga yung chainsaw niya. Ayun siya, oh.
There! I told you it would be open. Keep moving, Graham!
Yes, open that shit, bro. Hello? Fucker! Fucker!
Annabelles!
Fuck you, bro. Ah, fuck! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Run, 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 run. We can do it. And we can do this shit together. Hi! Ah, I'm dead. Where should I be going? Hey, shit!
I can smell you!
I know you can. I can smell myself either. Wait! Here? Here? Faster? I should be going here. Nope, nope. Run, 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 bro. Run, bro. Run, bro. Bro, run, bro. Squeeze me, squeeze me, squeeze me. Hello? Okay, okay, okay. Are we good? Where should I go? Okay, hello? Tanggala, it's like a maze, bro. Okay, it's close. Hello? Ah, putak! Ah! Sorry na. Ano yun? Ano daw yun? Sobrang gulat ko. Grabe na detense ako. Teka lang. Magbasa muna tayo ng mga notes. Ah, sakit ng puso ko, my god. I hate drugs. Tapos nakamute pala ako, no? GG. Yun. Hindi. Perfect. The critical secret of Project Bull Rider, blah blah blah. Documents surrounding her termination. Those documents will need to be generated. How about notes? Okay, siya yung naghabol sa atin doon. Asked to see my body, Lisa, when I die. When you finish the lawsuit, that let you pry this footage from Markup's army and lawyers and corporate hitmen. Don't make them show you my body. Just bury it or burn it. Let my son remember me who. Oh shit. That man is eating human flesh. He looks at me and I see anger, a little bit desire, but more than anything, hunger. Please don't make them show you my body. Grabe. I can feel what do you call this? Hello? Someone? My God! I hate you guys. I hate you. What are you doing, bro? Just bashing your head? The door? Hello? Medyo jumpy ako ngayong araw na to, ha. Sunod-sunod yung gulat, ha. Okay. Narinig ko na siya nakakita. Hello? Ah, fuck. Buti na lang may mga ganito. Should I go there or should I go back? Parang narinig ko pa rin siya. Okay, nag-die down na yung ano. So kasi pag umakyat ako dito, okay lang. Pero pag bumaba ako dito, wala na akong akyatan. Yan talaga ang buhay. Kailangan natin sumugal. Hey, what's this? What's up with the button? Hello? Am I good? Are we good? Ah, okay. Doon lang yung vent. Mikot lang pala ako. So, taguan lang siya. Fuck. Ah, okay. Good. Buti may ganito. One way vent. Ah, sakit sa puso. Tutuloy ko pa ba to? Don't know what to do. I'm scared. Hello? Campo? Anyone here? Battery? Any batteries? Hello? Walang battery. Narinig ko na naman siya. Pasok. Won't you leave me alone, bitch? Nandyan siya. Where? Wala na siya. Gagi, maubos yung battery ko dito. Oh, batteries! Nakailang minutes na ba tayo ng recording? Atake ako sa puso, guys. Di lang halata. Fuck you. Are you the one who's bashing his head? Saka rin eh. Hello? How about this way? Hello? There's also a vent here. Naririnig ko siya. Try muna natin. Are we go? Kailangan natin tipirin yung battery natin. Kasi pag bumaba ako dito, alam na this. Hello? Oh fuck, sarado. Naririnig ako. Ayun na siya. Fuck, faster, bro. Am I safe here? Ah! Fuck you! Oh, squeeze it. Little piggy, little piggy. Squeeze me. Hello? Am I safe here? Hello? I don't know where should I go. Am I going here? Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Huh? Hey.
You're gonna get me killed. Fuck off.
Nag-usap sila. Can I hide here? Hello? O saan yung... Oh, battery. Thank you. Is there any up button? Hello? About here. Stuck. Battery. Battery. Hello? Is it locked? Hello? I'm scared, brother. I'm scared. Should I be going here? Ah, okay. Sorry na nga. Hello? Close. Close the door. Close it. Close the battery. Fuck. I can hear him. I can hear him. Oh fuck! Nalock na ako. Should we be very careful? Should I go here?
I can smell.
Oh, fuck! Fucker ka, fucker ka, fucker ka, fucker ka. Ah! Oh, fuck. I'm dead. I'm dead. Am I dead? Am I dead? I'm dead. Fuck. Ah, ang sakit niya. Kailangan lang natin maging maging mapanuri, mapangahas. Kuya Kim, ikaw ba yan? Hi, bitch.
I know the flows.
Hindi tayo nakita. Huwag mong bubuksan tong... Wag, please. Wag.
Mine! You were mine!
Fucker! I'm not yours. I'm not anybody's. Uy. Ah, fuck! Where should I be going? At kalmado lang tayo kahit mamamatay na tayo. Hello, bitch. Not that way. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Mother, father, you. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Cannibal mother, father, you. Narinig ko pa rin yung chainsaw niya. Is that chainsaw ba? Yung pang-opera sa bungo, no? Yung saw. Load. Tambay muna tayo dito ah. Minsan kasi may epekto yung mga ganito eh. Camping style. Huy! Hello? Yeah, I'm still hearing the saw, bro. Inom muna ako ng ano. Inom muna tayo, inom. Are we good? Why should I? I'm not your mother, bro. Oh, may daan pala dito. Ako lang nakita to. Okay. Okay. We're past that. Hello? Gago! Umikot lang ako. Balik na tayo dito. Bitch. I'm cornered. Ginagawa ko, umikot lang ako. Hey, bitch. Hello? No. I'm already taken, bro. Hi. Hello? Hi. Daan ba dito? Pak, 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 pak. Parang wala. Hi, bitch. Wala eh. It's salado. Hello? Anyone? Anything? Should I crawl? Galing na tayo dyan kanina. How about this one? I know you can, bro. Battery. Battery. So, ba't ako yung trip mo magpakain sa'yo? Sabi niya, feed me, feed me. Oh, fuck you! Ah, sorry, Lord. Ah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Meron ba muna ako dapat i-activate? Paikot-ikot na lang ako eh, brother. Can someone help me? Ako pupunta.
I know you're close!
Bitch. Wait lang, saan ako pupunta? Paikot-ikot na ako. May dapat ba akong inopen dun sa ano? Security KNM eh. Wala namang bot dun eh. I'm lost, bro. Resignation to eh. So that's my name. Ito si Ethan. Chris Cadwelash Brushra. Wala, habulan lang talaga kami, bro. Unless meron dito akong dapat talunan or oh shit. Hello? Ben? Dapat ba ako tumalon dito? Ah, fucker. Dun nga. Ah, ang tagal kong inikot. I'm so witty. I'm so good. You're good. Ah, okay. So I need to turn off this bulb. Use the shortwave radio for prison. Where is that? Battery. Let's close this shit just to be safe. Battery? Any battery here? No. Where's the fucking radio? Is it that one? Hello? Saan? Kung sabihin babalik ako dun. Babalik nga ako. What the fuck? Ang radio. Ito na siya eh. Bitch. Ha. Ano uli yung sabi? Sorry. Up. Objective. Use the shortwave radio in the prison. So babalik ako all the way? Oh fuck! Gagi. Sama naman ang ugali ng laro na to. Kanda matay na nga ako kakatakbo. Okay. Hello? Jump scare. Hello? Hi bitch. I'm not here. Hello?
Mine!
Fuck you!
You were mine!
No, I'm not yours. Ah, I'm dead. 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 I know I'm dead. I'm no fuck. Yaw ko na. Motherfucker, may radyo dito, hindi pa yun yung pinagamit eh. Kailangan ko pang bumalik sa prison. Tama ba? Saan ako pupunta? Region Freeze. Kabado 20 boy ah. Diyan pa siya oh. Ayoko nga. Nope. Nope. Ah, I can sneak. Ah, may daan dito. Meron ba? Wala. Wala. Pauso lang ako. Sorry na. Can I go here? Parkour skill. Pak, 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 pak. Ah, sakit sa puso. Is this real life? Kapakyo ka. Hotdog ka. Hotdog. Run, Forrest, run. Mali na naman tayo ng route. Ah, fuck. Ah, I'm dying. Fuck you, bro. I hate you big time. Am I safe here? Hello? What happened? Oh, that's new, ah. Hello? Should I be going down? Did we survive the cannibal thingy? Wait, what's happening? Right. Hello? Why am I outside? Oh, fuck. Yun lang siguro, no? Siguro dito ko na lang tatapusin tong live stream natin, guys. Ang sakit sa puso. Ah. So, yun lang. Let's continue this tomorrow na lang. So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in our next video. Bye! $40 minutes din. Okay na ba? Yan. Rarararara. Let's go. What's up? Hi everybody. My name is Diggs. And welcome to our play Outlast Whistleblower.
I made it.
Hello?
I think it's safe. Can you climb up? I'm coming, Cooper! I just have to lock the... There. I'm coming! Hold on!
Hello? You're talking to me. So we need to find a lock to open the door. Tapos may corpse na naka-handcuff. GG. Alright, hello? Are we good? So dito tayo nag-last, ano no. Hello? Fuck. Bitch. Where am I supposed to be going? Fucker. Run, bro. Fuck you, naked son of a gun. Grabe ako ni Nervous.